So now we will discuss with the test cases in the POM framework. There is the few classes which we have created: base test, add to cart, or such test. So first of all, we will go with the save by base test. Now this is the demo framework which we are creating, and this is the demo. Sorry, base test. Base test here in the base test we will initialize the before method and before method where we are initializing or giving the URL of where we are going to perform the test cases, and then we are giving the after method. After method is what we are just why it is error https. After method we are just quitting there. That's the simple way. I should check that. Then go into the test. In the search test, we will create the one test cases that we will use the annotation test mark. This is the TestNG test cases. So first of all, we have need to create the one uh, class or extend the base test. Search and verify the product title. This is the function name which we are creating. And then first of all, we are creating the homepage objects. Then we are logging first. Search is the Selenium book. And then what we have need to do, get the page title after successful login. String actual title equal to product page dot get get title. So I think we need to get text. Get title, and then we have need to add assert dot assertion true. page title does not match. This is the validation message we will get. And we need to add imports. We will not say this is the. Let me check once. Okay. Then what we have need to do? We have need to add to cart test. And then come here, and we have need to we are on the add to cart page and defining the product name for validation. A string product name is the source class and the back pages, and this is the product name we are doing. Step 2, log in, add to cart, and go to the cart and verify the product. This is the thing we have need to perform in this page. So first of, in the class label, the class add to cart and extend base test. And then first test we have need to test is what we are validating. This is the product on the add to cart page. That's simple. No, no, sorry. String, then product name. Then dot search product name dot add dot add to cart. Then is product name, then colon or close this string. What we are doing in the home page, search the product name, add to cart and product name, then it will come in the is product at the boolean. Then what we will use the assert true this product edit, and yes, we will find the simple way. Add the M package here and search here. Now you can see um, error is removed and we are getting one thing I have need to do. Now you can see here there is the two test cases I have written. I think you understand better way. And in the TestNG XML, already we have discussed in the above lectures. In the TestNG XML, so we have defined the two classes: project test dot search test. Project is what? This is the package, and test project test is a package name, and the search test. This is the search test, and the add to cart test. If I remove this one, and then I run it, what it will run only this one. Already we have discussed this in detail about the TestNG XML. You please watch that video. And the project test search test, it is the very helpful once you can see. This is the demo of the product. You can create the same project in your system and try write a more and codes and verify all those things. Okay, so one test pass, one test zero failures. And if I run the add to carts, it will verify and as well as run also. Let's check that also. I have added the project test. Now I'm running this. What is the purpose of the add to cart test? Login successfully from the base class, and then it is successfully. Then run again and add to cart. One pass, two run, one pass, one failure. Okay, so search lab back. We can debug the exactly error. What is the error? You may need to dependency similar to Selenium. So we have need to debug what the exactly issue. But I will suggest please create the demo framework in your system or understand the structure, what the exactly structure should be in your, of the framework, and what the kind of the utilities we have need to develop in the framework. All those things you have need to understand. Thank you guys. You watch this video and getting the some very information from this video. Please like and subscribe this channels. Thank you.